Most call to actions frankly suck. They get ignored, they get marked as spam, or just simply filtered out. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly the ones that work, the ones that don't work. I'll bring them all inside a tier list. So let's go. So first of all, we have tiers from S, A, B, C, D, and F. I'm sure you're familiar with these. You know how it goes. Okay, so let's go with the first one. So this is going to be the soft ask call to action. So think a bit like low pressure, open-ended, feels like a favorite type question. So want me to send it over? Should I send it over? Would it be helpful if I send it over? Type of call to action. So this is going to be absolute S tier. This is good for all cold emails, first touches in basically any industry. And what does it work? It's basically not pushy. It's just an easy yes. Okay, so next is lead magnets, absolute S tier. This is pretty much a league of its own, but you know, S tier it is. It's something like wrote a quick guide, mind if I send it? Have a teardown for X, mind if I send it? Want a peek, built an SOP, a tool, a checklist, lead magnet, whatever else you have, and you just basically give it to them. It's good for consultants, agencies, info heavy offers, basically anyone. Why it works, again, it just feels helpful. You just add value to them. Next is warm call invite. So think of it like open to a quick call, you know, something like this. I would say this is quite bad. E or D tier. I would put it in D tier. It's worked in the past. A lot of people are just like instantly raising sales resistance, so just don't do it. Next is curiosity, cliffhanger call to actions. Want to see how we built for competitor, a version that outperforms XYZ? Do you want it? You laugh at the way we did this. You want it? So something like this. Absolute gold. It's A tier. It's basically like a combination of soft ask and lead magnets in just a different version. I would put it in A as it's not as clear most of the times. It doesn't work on all prospects, on all markets, just like these do, but it could be definitely even better than these in the right market, leveraged correctly. Because, you know, cliffhangers, we usually like to see what's happening or want to know what's behind it, so we're just that much more likely to just respond. Okay, next is explainer call to action. So offer a video or some kind of visual walkthrough. This is solid. This is B tier. It's been working quite well in the past. It's decent, I would say. Value-added follow-ups, these are A tier, absolute E tier. Could be lead magnets, could be something else, could be, again, like any type of value that you give to them in terms of a follow-up. So this is again just specifically for those. Next is hard book a call, absolute trash, don't do it. It's even worse than the warm-up. So something like book a time here, right? Grab a slot here. I'm not going to, nobody else is going to. I'm not sure why still people use it. Maybe the occasional oddball just books in a call with them and they're like, hey, I'm happy with this. And that's why they leave it in. Just don't do it. Don't be like these people. And next one is basically date-based. I would say D tiered. So it's something like free this Tuesday, got 15 minutes this week. If you can leverage this nicely, like, hey, do you have literally 4 minutes to go over this? And then you call them up and it's literally 4 minutes. Then that could be a good strategy. But just like this, I wouldn't use it. Next is non-call to action. So what do I mean by this? So thoughts, any interest, you know, just checking in, following up, stuff like this. It's D tier. It's not good. I would say it's even F tier. It's not good. It's not gonna work. It fails to add any value and people just ignore it. They don't care. There's no point for them to respond to, right? People are selfish, so give them something they want and then in return they're gonna go hop on a call with you. You just build proof, you build trust, and overall it's gonna be that much more easy to help them if you can. If not, it's all good. You still gave them some free value. That's it. Next, and finally we have the promo. So F tier, absolute F tier. Never use the promo. So buy now, start your free trial, limited time offer. Unless you're doing a newsletter, then that's fine. But we're talking about specifically for cold email, cold DMs, any type of outreach. That's beside inbound. Okay, so this is basically the full extensive guide. It's absolute facts based on the thousands and thousands and thousands of calls we've had over the years, which worked best for us to land meetings and thus deals. This is my definite tier list. So, quick video. I hope you got some value out of it. If you have any questions, you can always message me on Instagram. I have my personal Instagram link below. It's not a VA, it's just going to be me. So if you actually send a message, it's going to be me who replies to it. And if you just want to talk to me one-on-one, there's a link down there as well. If you want to grab any of the assets we give away for free, you can just come to the website or the link in the description and get the freebies all handed to you nicely. With that in mind, I hope you got some value out of it and see you in the next one. Cheers.